Hello, James Waldridge here from the Fleet Safety Academy in York with another bite-sized risk management nugget. I hope you can take these pieces of best practice advice and use them to keep your vehicles and your drivers in one piece. The first step in the Fleet Safety Academy 7-step program for preventing vehicle collisions is to get organised. This means getting your policies agreed and implemented. A driving at work policy gives an opportunity for your organisation to commit to its expectations in respect to driving activities. The document sets the standards for driving behaviour and performance. A policy document, therefore, needs to clearly define actions that people in the organisation need to take to improve fleet risk management. This isn't just about the driver, it's about all the different management roles that have an input into employee performance. That could be ops managers, fleet managers, HR managers, health and safety managers. They all have a role to play. Because if you don't tell managers what actions to take to improve driving performance, you can't measure whether they've been doing their job properly. And without measuring for improvement in fleet safety, you're not going to get the results you're looking for. This is how you introduce both transparency and accountability. Having a policy helps you demonstrate that you're complying with legal requirements, and it also gives employees a clear route to obtain help on driving related issues. This isn't about having a document for the sake of having one. It's not just more instructions to be ignored. This is the blueprint that brings your collision prevention efforts to life. It's the necessary foundation that you need, but you also need to take action and have a management system behind the policy to really stop collisions. Watch out for future videos as I work through the key steps to developing a collision prevention program. And if you want to know more, please go to fleetsafetyacademy.co.uk. Thank you.